Today, a Red Bull athlete is driving my Lotus Elise, Fabian Bösch. But that's just the beginning. I've got something way more exciting to announce. Fabian and I just launched a brand new channel, Fabian Bösch. It's where we take on fun challenges, wild stunts, tricks, races.
He's gonna be on the e-bike, I'm running.
And way more adrenaline than is probably healthy. But first, let me show him how it's really done in the Elise. Enjoy and check out our new channel after this video.
The grip is insane. And it doesn't move like the car. It's just flat. But the road surface here, I remember, is really ass. Also a lot of bikers having fun on here. And we need to watch out for the cyclists, of course. Respect every one of these roads, guys. Stay safe, but we can still have some fun. And yeah, it's 80 here. I can not in any world drive 80 around these turns. I'm fascinated by the grip of this car. It's insane. Yeah, the mechanical grip is really, really good. Even when it like kind of like wants to, like the tail wants to break out. It's like control. Yeah, or you can feel the point when it wants to slide. Yeah, you will feel it afterwards when you try it. I'm not going that fast. It's okay. It's also fun when you drive it slow. Because you have no servo, it's literally like a go-kart. Blind corners, always watching out for those. It's a nice street up here. Yeah, it's kind of a hidden street. Not many people know this. That's why there's not much traffic, which is super nice. Wow. What a drive. Oh, it's so much fun. Let us chill here for a second so we can switch places. Dude, what a car. Wow. You can smell the rubber from the tires. Yeah, it's nice. A lot of fun. Lovely. All right, my guy. For sure. Thank you. Let's have some fun. Yeah, I'll go slow. Just to get in. It's an experience. It's not easy. I'm actually never in the passenger seat. That's so funny. Yes. Whole sequence to get it started. It is, it is. Okay, anything to... No, nothing, it's just driving. Oh, you don't see much, huh? No. On the side. And I'm sorry if the exhaust mic stopped working, but yeah, you've had some sound until now. Dude, the shifting is smooth. It is super nice. slow. Just have to get a feel for it.
Yeah, sure. No
and
pressure.
I don't know where the roads are going. It's hard to turn the wheel, but probably that's what makes it like you feel the car so well.
Exactly. It's so predictable. You can see you really need to work the gears to get some power out of it.
Yeah, I sometimes have to downshift or be in a smaller gear, but...
Yeah, it only has 250 horsepower. So
yeah, but when you're in the right gear, it
pulls, yeah.
I like that the shifting is so like short. That's a cool experience, thank you.
Hey, of course, man.
Thanks for trusting me. It's so much different to a like normal road car. It's the same.
In my opinion, I almost think every car should feel like this. This feels like driving. Yeah.
It feels way better like this.
Yeah, second gear is really good.
Yeah.
This was just a little sneak peek of Fabian Bösch. Watch this video next if you want to see us go on a crazy cliff diving adventure with this 80-year-old legend. This is a special cliff diving spot. Hidden somewhere in the Swiss Alps, it was built by this 80-year-old legend who invited us to visit his secret place.
That's so cool.
But the real question is, will Barry step it up?
6 meters, my legs are shaking.
Can Buhsch actually survive doubling it? Or will the legend outdive them both? Let's find out.
Let's go.
Let's go.